Welcome everyone. Let me know if you can hear me clearly and let's get right to it. We have a massive list today on already write it down. So we have some stocks that have to be on our list for next week. One of them is AMC, of course, because retesting the 2080 and right now is going below. So we have to make a plan, insider plan, what we should expect for the price. Here we already have my eye on some altcoin and coins. Before that, let's go on the stock list for today. We have Prague went up almost around $1.84. Then we went down. We have a major shift for Prague. However, we still have a massive volatility, and we still confirm that we're still in bullish momentum because we broke this ascending line. If we go into AMC, as we said in our technical analysis before for AMC, what we said that we gonna reject the 2080 and we go back to test the 1770, then we go back up. We did it here on our TradingView community, and right now already testing the 2080 so many times. Here we did it around the 23rd of March. So yeah, the price is spike around the 2080, then went down. Then right now we have to close above the 2080 in order to see the 2550. So let me see if everybody can hear me all right. Hi, Better Run. John Castell, how you doing, brother? Goku is coming early here. Yes, Goku. HYMC, of course, we're gonna cover it. Hello, Rabas. Hello, Varma. How are you doing? Goku going to the business. He just ask, just hi Jesus and straight a stock. Yeah, we have kind of volatility for cannabis stock right now because we have some kind of fundamental news regarding for the cannabis stock. Are we gonna see another jump and a lot of squeeze for cannabis stock again for this year, like what's happened for the last year? We're gonna confirm that in a bit. Let me just, okay. Because I already put it on my list right now for TLRY. For TLRY, let me just go here. Yes. So TLRY visited our resistance $7.92. We're talked about today in the pre-market, and we suggest that we're gonna have a massive short seller will come near this resistance, the $7.92 for TLRY. That's why the price went down. And here we talked about Sundial and TLRY first on our pre-market update in today's video. So if you're not already joined our Patreon, the link in the live chat right now if you want to join. What we said for Sundial, we said we're gonna have a rejection for the price when the market open. We suggest to have a test around the 0.94, but we got tested before and the price went down even before. And the next one we have the TLRY, and we said that the price will go back and test around the $7.92 here. And yeah, the pre-market was almost 17% or 13% up. And yeah, the price is got rejected before our level of resistance. The next one should be the $9.87. So right now is good because we kind of revisiting the resistance around the $7.90, right now $8. So if we close right now above this level of resistance, this would be nice to see, because next week we're gonna see the $9.87. Let me see how much we could make. 21%. So still there's some fuel left for TLRY. So let's go and see what's going to happen here. So yeah, for GME and TLRY, among the most mentioned stock on Reddit right now. So yeah, GME is at the top over AMC. Then we have TLRY. So for TLRY, have a spotlight because we have almost 153 million shares changing hand against daily shares. So we have almost crazy volatility for TLRY, and because we have the U.S. House of Representatives scheduled plan to hold a floor vote next week on the federal marijuana legalization bill. This is crazy. This will be the turning point. We have a federal marijuana legalization bill will be planned out pretty soon in coming days. That's why we see kind of volatility for weed stock right now, or cannabis stock. Regarding TLRY is in better position because we are around the $8. For Sundial is kind of below the $1, so that's why we have a fight. We need to overcome the 0.95 to see the $1. After the $1 would be a bit of a safe haven for any stock to stay above the $1 in order to stay in the Nasdaq or listed in the Nasdaq. So yeah, TLRY in better position. That's why we see the 16.50 and overcoming the resistance right now. So yeah, right now is looking good for TLRY. Let's go to energy stock. We have TEL. TEL is doing crazy good. It's bumping 17% today and going toward the $6.60 pretty soon. This will be a turning point to see the $8 next time. So we have just one resistance left in order to go here, the $8.78. And you can look here, almost 90 degrees bounce. This is crazy. Almost 100% we did since the beginning of February. So if we look here, 124 in matter of 1 month. So this is crazy for a TEL right now, because if we go to see the technical, and we have a project. Okay, so we have a plan is coming together. Construction starts next month. So the chief executive said the energy conference on Wednesday. So we have some kind of news regarding this stock regarding multi-year high right now, and the SP 500 Global Energy Conference in Houston. So we have some anticipation for this one as well, and good news coming up. That's why we have a lot of buying pressure happening. And GTE is kind of right now is really delicious for me, because it's because it's energy, mineral, oil, and gas production. And all energy stock is going up, considering SM and BTU is going to all-time high as well. If we go to GTE, there's a massive room left to go, because $1, we can see the $2.80 or the $3, because I can see it is still undervalued, and the last earning was pretty good. So we anticipate for this one a massive move coming for the next week with the shortage for the oil. We can anticipate 60% again for my technical here in a few months coming. The $2.80, this will be tested pretty soon. So yeah, for my opinion, this will be a nice trade, because it's undervalued right now, this one GTE, and I put it on my list. So let me just check your questions. Welcome everyone. Hi Luis, nice trade for Endo. Yes, Let me check Endo because Luis just did a trade for Endo and bought around the support. Let me just check Endo. Yes, Endo just visited our support right now around the 22.45, and we expect it to bounce because first we didn't hold this level as we said for Endo. The moment that we don't hold, we have to hold this level of support. And you can look here. The price is accumulating. The price is accumulating and testing. You see what's happened? The moment, Luis, we tested the 22.23, we saw a big candle here. 1 hour candle happened almost 3 hours ago. You see what's happened? Boom, big buying pressure. So, Luis, right now, we have to watch out for one thing. Never closing candle below this line to confirm the like insider or investor actually bought. Otherwise, what we want to have here is accumulation, then jumping, like what happened for INPB. We need to accumulate above this level and never closing below in order to have the price at least to take a profit next time if we bounce around the 29. This would be like the first level of taking profit. The next one would be 36. And let me just check your question again. Yes, Goku, we covered Sundial. Upstart, we have question about Upstart. Feeling good, Jesus. Feeling good, Goku, sorry. Yes, feeling better today. Yes, CEI, we have a major news regarding the 10K and the date for the 10K. So that's happened today. I already did the video about it before this live streaming. Yes, AEI tanked because we didn't hold our support. This is plain and simple. What we talked about it before, we said for AEI, we need to hold this support. Otherwise, we're going to have the test around the 0.50. And guess what? We visited the 0.50, which is the gap that we did here around the 22nd of March. So it was perfect bounce. Look, 0.50, perfect. The moment that we don't hold the 0.59, we have filling the gap 0.50. That's why we hold right now. So the 0.50 is kind of major important in order to have this reaction. There is a massive test will happen around the 0.58. If we got rejected, it means we're gonna have the price go below here, okay? So we're gonna have the price go below here around the 0.43. This will confirm that short seller is still in control in this area. So this is resistant right now, 0.59 for AEI. NEO, look with me what happened to NEO. What we said before, yes, it's not right time to buy. The moment that we said the price going up and we bought back here, it was perfect buying pressure here around the 1367. We talked about this ascending line. And the idea is the moment that we come near this ascending line, as we talked about a dangerous area if we bought near this resistance because we anticipated for a drawdown and shortest seller will come. And guess what? As we anticipated, the price went down because we near this ascending line. Right now, NEO got down. So potential normal. Right now, what we should expect, we need to hold to confirm breakout for this ascending line and confirm for bullish momentum, which is above this level 1845. This should be the support to confirm the price will break this time this ascending line, and the next time we see the 2340, we're gonna see the spike until the 29. And let me just check TLRY. Yeah, it's bumping 18%. Okay, what we have here. Okay, EI, bro. Celine, we already covered AI right now. Nile, seems Reddit is bumping Nile. Okay, let's go to NILE. And some people said there's some bumping happening from Reddit. And let me just write it down and see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, 11%. So if we go and confirm if we have a bumping up from Reddit, here will tell us everything. So we have Ape Wisdom that it show us what's gonna happening right now in the short squeeze stocks. Yes, exactly as you said, we have the second spot right now. BitNile is mentioned 265 after Goldman Sachs. And then we have MULN, then Sundial. Sundial is jumping 47% places up. And BASIN, BBIG, and TLRY. So yeah, we have the Cannabis stock is coming really strong right now. So we have the top four, which is NALI, then we have MULN, Sundial, BBIG, TLRY. So those stock is big volatility. Let's start with NLI. This one, it hold above kind of the support. We bounce a bit back here, you see. So Reddit kind of saved the stock. Technically it should went down around the 0.51 normally. However, is kind of unusual. So that's why the price dipped below our support and spike up again. So this is unusual behavior from Reddit, and that's why we bought back below the support. And right now I would be clear from it. If we want to confirm a massive squeeze for this one is the $1. The $1.05. We clear it. Hallelujah. The price will go to $1.46. Otherwise, I don't want to touch it. It's still kind of we might see a gap by Monday above the $1, but this is a bit risky and I can control it. However, if the market open above the $1.05 during the market, I can control the trade. Otherwise, I will not risk the trade. The next one we have MULN, and let me just check. Yeah, MULN went down around the $2. So as we talked about the $2.76, the moment that we broke it, you see, a broke is like a glass. Boom, is broke. There is no bounce, there is no hold. That's why we said the $2.76 have a major important value to us. And right now we bouncing where? Perfectly above this exponential average. Perfect bounce from our exponential average. Right now we finding a bit buying pressure. So right now the support turned into resistance, and we will confirm before the market close a test for $2.76. If we got rejected, this mean we still in bearish momentum. We might see it like a test for the $2 accumulate here before we jump again up. So be extra careful right now for MULN. We have to clear the $2.76. This will be a major turning point. And the TLRY we already covered. Sundial we already covered. Right now Sundial is still holding above the 0.68. We have the $1. This is the turning point for Sundial. Okay, Upstart, we have MUN dip to $2. ID on, you already talked about it. We already talked about it right now. INPP still at $1.70. So let's check INPP for Luis. Okay. Yes, Luis, yes. Thank you for bringing this up. So we have kind of volatility happen for INPP. We dipped from this support that we should hold above it. We went below it and we drive above it and right now we are below it again. So for this one, as we to be more clear for INPB, the support, as we talked about, it was around the $1.40. This is the safest bounce. Then we said the $2 is the resistance. So right now we are in the midway. Here is chaos. Here is volatility. Here is indecision. We don't want to trade in between in this area. The best area is above the $2 when we confirm holding it. This will be a bullish, massive volatility, and next time we're gonna have a test around the $2.60 and the $2.80. Otherwise, the price will accumulate and have accumulation here before we see a spike up or down. I don't want to see the price here is a really undecision phase, because Luis, the moment that we broke this level and then we overcome it and then we go below it, this is crazy movement. It means this support is not being respected, and here there's a lot of volatility. So I respect the level around the $1.50. This is nice support. Resistance $2. Any price spike above the $2 will be a bullish. Any price spike below the $1.55 is bearish. Simple and straightforward. Let me just BNGO. We have INPB still. Okay. We have to cover HYMC for Goku. And let me just check. I think this one is still, yes, still doesn't have any volatility. And I think something gonna happen for this one. Goku, there's some crazy thing will happen for this one. There's a massive accumulation I can see for this one. So we have a massive drop from the $2.64 double top. It happened between the 11th of March and 14th of March. So we have a double top. This is bearish. However, if we see the big picture, we're still above our exponential average. And right now we have accumulation phase here. So if we calculate how much the accumulation from the 16th of March until the 25th of March, this is a massive jump that will happen right now. So what we suggest right now, let me just, it's a bit chunky chart. It's not kind of clear chart to draw it. Let me just see. So the next time that we have a jump from this area, we're gonna see a volatility. Perfect. Let me just put notification. This is the trigger for the volatility. $1.50 will be the trigger. We need a close 1 hour candle at least above this level to confirm a trade. Will do from here to there will be a 15%. After the $1.70, we're gonna have the price go around the $2. Simple as that. Otherwise, we're gonna have the price consolidate, get rejected, then continue to go down around the $1. Here we're gonna have a massive volatility around the $1. Will be bought back pretty hard for HYMC. So yeah, here if we never overcome the $1.48, we're gonna have the price gravitate around the $1, where we're gonna see a decision for the price to drive up or continue to go down. Okay. Okay, so for AMC, we talked about AMC like almost 3 months ago. Let me just show you this video. We talked about in this live streaming that we did around the 3rd of June last year. Look with me. This is what's funny. I just found it last time when I was checking my videos. And this was on our live streaming that we did around the 3rd of January. And if we go on around the 9th of March, or the 9th, the 9 hours, look what happened. Oh man, where's my, okay. The price was here around the 70. If you remember, AMC was around the 70, and what we suggest, we said the price will go around the 25 first, then the other support area around the 20. So we did this last year when we were trading around the 51 dollar, or after hour it was 47. So this was a nice short or put option trade for AMC on the June 3rd 2021. So this is almost 1 year before the price went around the 25 and 20, and this is a good example to be patient. So a lot of people talk about the, I don't know, like the 500k for AMC, and we talked about the 25 and the 20. A lot of people said I'm crazy, but the price went down anyway. Eventually we go to our support. That's why we hunt, let the price come to us, never run after the price. So if we go to look for AMC right now, after last video that we did on for AMC, look. So if we go in the big picture, yeah, so the last video we did it, we were around the 45 here, around this area. And we said that price eventually will say around the 25. It was an important level, then the 20. And that's why we have the massive dip that we did around the 11th of March for AMC. And what we have, okay, Reem Kahan, we already cover NILE. We said the the $1, I think, or the $1 is the game changer for NILE. Sandia $3 next week. Yes, everybody hopes so. It's too early, Luis. You're leaving. Yes, it was a nice hunt for the pre-market update. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy the weekend with your family. See you on Patreon, okay? Okay, so let's see one of the question here and cover this stock up. So for BHUN, we already covered it on our Patreon and Discord as well. No, today we covered Shiba Inu price on Discord. However, for BHUN, we said we have to hold this ascending line, and we held it perfectly. That's why we still continue to go up. We have just one resistant level around the $3.14. If we overcome it, we're gonna have the price test around the $4. So yeah, the $3.14 will be the game changer. If we got rejected, it means we're still not ready, but we still will accumulate above this ascending line before the squeeze. Let me check. Drive safely, my brother. Drive safely. Okay, so we have a question for CENN. We already talked about CENN, and we said we still have a support to hold. We have a drawdown for CENN because we got really near our resistance. We did it in the last video for CENN, and right now is 12% down. So if we go here, what we said, we have a bit of rejection. We talked about it around the $3.15. Already put my notification, and we went until the $2.99. So we were pretty close near our resistance. That's why we coming back near the support. You see, this support is $2.12. This is should be held strongly for CENN. In order to see accumulation, then the $3.55 will be the turning point for bullish momentum after this massive drop down. So yeah, the $3.55 will be a big signal for reversal. And holding above the $2.12, this is will initiate to see the $3, yeah, the $3.55. Let's cover there's some people come here first and we didn't answer the question, and one of them is Pharma, so he almost here first, so I'm trying to be grateful for you to be one of the early hunter on our live streaming always. So I'm gonna cover your stock, and this is my appreciation for your time and your what's this mean for commitment to be at first to see our live streaming. So you said you want alert or like to know what's the price like target for UPST. So let me just check it for you and see the direction of the market. So for this one, kind of clear to me. We got double top here, first around the 2nd of March and the 28th of December. Look with me here and there, and we still below our exponential average. So this is still bearish. This is normal. The price went down is normal right now. So there's a potential. If we still closing below the $1.09 here, it means this is the sign of bearish momentum, and the short seller if outweighed the bullish momentum, and the price will continue to go down around the 61 this time. The 61 would be a nice buying opportunity for this one. After if we is still holding like closing below the 109 and never overcome it after this double top, because this is kind of basic analysis to have a warning sign. Double top is mean short seller in control, and the price will continue to go down. So right now we have a confirmation. The 160 is a massive resistance for UPST. Any price go above it, this is will give us a massive turning point for the price, and we're gonna have like the 200. Okay, let me just check. Yes, we have many requests for glove. And what else we have? Jonathan asked about TUSK is consolidating for the next move up. This is an interesting question. Let me check this one, because if it's consolidating is nearing the support, and if it's near the support is ready to bump. Okay, this one we didn't do analysis for before, and this is new. So let me do just this. Okay, let me, yeah. So the price is ready to bump right now. Yes, perfect. Wow, man. So yeah, thank you for bringing this up. This is about on verge of massive explosion. If we just clear this ascending line and clear this resistance, the $2.55, This will be a big spike until the $3.88 where I take my profit. Just mark this price up. This will be a nice trade. The $3.88, let me just check how much we can make here. Yeah, oh man, this would be almost 100% for this one. But just be careful, we don't want to have this one price go here, fake out, and continue to go down. We're gonna continue to go down until even maybe the 0.60. We don't want to see this reaction, you see? We want to see this reaction. The price spike here, hold above the support, then spike here. This will be nice trade. Yes, perfect. Thank you for bringing this up. Eric, we already did the video for CEI before this live streaming. You can watch it at any time. We already covered the analysis for it. Now we have to cover Glove, AMC as well, got in on Elite, he said GSAT. Yes. Let me just check this one for you. Let me just check pretty quick for this. My brother is getting near the $1.56, the resistant area. We're gonna have a test for today before the market close. We might get rejected before the market close, so just be careful. Before the market close, we're gonna have a test and rejection and closing below. This is pretty clear. Okay, whatever. Let me just go again for CEI because we got a lot of questions regarding CEI. Yeah, it's still holding. So right now, technically above our support, the 0.86. We said we need to hold this triangle. And guess what? Today we bounced perfectly at this triangle. This is one test for the triangle from below. This was around the 25th of March, today of course. And here, the 15th of March, we tested again from below. The 4th of March, and the break-in point 23rd of February. Perfect, you see, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3, and 4. So now this is confirmed support. And that's why we said we need bomb, bomb, bomb. Then we have the spike, and this time not a fake out like this one, but a closing candle, 1 hour candle here, confirming the test. First, the $1.49, then the squeeze area, the $1.84 to the $2.92. Yes. No problem, Eric. Happy to help. Yes, Georgie, he said, let's go hunt for BNGO, ELPP, and MMAT. Wow, it's been a while. Last time we covered MMAT. Let me just check what's going to happen. Yeah, we already did the analysis for AMC here. Oh man, we got a lot of comments here, but we didn't reply on this one. You know, We got a comment here from someone. He said, I was wrong when I said the 2080 would be the resistance, and he didn't believe my analysis, and he said we're gonna see the $30. And yeah, the comment was very funny because the people said this is aged well, you know. So this is what's funny. You know, like this has always happened to me when some people like don't believe like my analysis or tell me no, the price for AMC will never go to this place or that place. Like what we said here around the 3rd of June last year when AMC was trading around this level, the 50 and the 70, and we talked about the 25 and the 20, and a lot of people like make fun of me and they said no, the price will go to 100 and 200. So yeah, sometimes you don't have to talk and let the chart speak, you know. Hello, Yokral. Hello. Yokral, we already covered CENN a while ago. You can just draw the red line you can see in your video on YouTube and rewatch it. It's simple. You can rewatch the live streaming. So we don't have to like talk again about it because we have a lot of requests. For the other stock, we didn't cover it, but we're gonna cover it for you. No problem. We didn't cover Clove right now because we forget about it because we got many requests. So for Glove, let me just check for Glove. Okay, for Glove is doing good. It's going good. We're still holding this kind of like doing higher lows and bouncing perfectly. You see, bouncing, bouncing, and bouncing. And we're still above this exponential average, so it's bullish right now. However, we said it, we just, even with this bullish momentum, we have a massive, massive test for Clove between the $4, around the $4. Here, this will be a turning point. Because even if we hold above this ascending line and continue, here, I don't know what's gonna happen. This will be a massive test because here there's a massive shorting opportunity for short sellers and a lot of people will take profit here. That's why I suggest taking profit, and if you want to re-enter above the $4.74 would be safe. Otherwise, this would be not safe to buy. If you already bought around the $2.50, take profit here, I suggest. If you want to buy, don't buy here. I don't suggest to buy here. Simple, and make it simple. UAVS is done. Ah man, if you say so, let me just check if it's done or not. 12% down. No, it's not done. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. So we have a nice support. If we hold above the $1.26, is still there's like a squeeze to happen for this one. So yeah, the $3 is the massive test area if we got the squeeze. However, right now, if we hold above, we kind of have an opportunity to test the $1.94. So this one look nice, really look nice. If we hold the $1.26, this will be a nice trade. Will be a nice trade. Bouncing here, holding here, we're gonna have the price go eventually around the $1.94. My target, ultimate target would be the $3.33. But at the time being, we have to hold above the $1.26. So it's not done yet. Sorry people, my throat is a bit sore, you know, so is a bit sour. So I have difficulty to talk, you know. When I talk a lot, like I get like have to cough a bit. So the more I talk, the more my throat would be kind of prone to have a cough seizure. I'm trying to talk less and give more information with less words. It will be hard, but I try. Let me check the energy stock in a bit. We have CEI holding 2%. TEL is still bumping. Man, it's going toward the $6 this one. 19% up. We have GTE still holding the $1.71. Is a big giant sleeping GTI or GTE. We have BTU, a massive energy stock as well. It's really strong. We have just one resistant level around the 29. Then the 35 would be the other profit taken for this one. We have SM Energy going to all-time high around the 42. If we clear the 42, we have another position, the 54 for SM Energy. Oxy as well is really kind of 90% degree bounce, and we have this flag forming. So this is pretty bullish sign for Oxy. We have potential that the price go around the 83 for this year easily, and you can have a look here. Look, let me just show you what's happening. We have a conjunction area and insider bought, the price spike up, and here again we have a conjunction area and then insider bought and the price went up, and here conjunction area and the price got up because insider bought, and here conjunction area, and guess what, a big 90% squeeze. So this one has been heavily traded since 2 years by insider. Big trend, bullish trend for Oxy. So yeah, this one is one of the most bullish stock because it's energy, mineral, oil and gas production. So yeah, this one I can see it going around the 83 easily if we continue this trend and never break the 37, because this is the midway support or the strongest confirmation for the bullish momentum for Oxy. Let me just take this off. And again, if you want to join to our Patreon, because we do live, we do pre-market update. You see, we have a massive list for today. We have Sundial, TLRY, CENN, Palantir. We already did analysis for all of them. And yesterday we did this list, almost 12, because it's been requested from our hunter. So if you join and pick the second tier and above, you could have the privilege to ask me which stock you want to review for you, to know where you take a profit, where you exit, where the warning sign if we have a short seller coming in, and yeah, pretty much it would be ready to hunt with us. So join us in the link in comment section below if you want. And as well, if you want, if you more on the Discord, we have this big channel, or the Discord channel with Lacrum Investing. We have many analysts, and I'm one of them here, Trading Jesus. We have almost 4 analysts here. And you can have even mini channel down there for, there's alert for a lot of stocks. And there's even like a crypto and stocks and everything you can have here. So yeah, everybody talk about cannabis stock, and because there's a big jump in the price, and we have even live trading session here, and live chat and live trading session on the Discord. So you can join in the link comment section below. Even there's a 3 days free trial, and the difference between this Discord and our Discord is different, because this one will be a free of charge if you if you join us with like if you join in Patreon, you get free like entry for the Discord. However, the other one is a big one because it's a collaboration with Lacram Investing, and there's many analysts, so it's paid. However, you don't pay for the first 3 days to check it out. So let me know what you think. If you don't know how to join and which one to choose, just send me a message through trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. CEI, my average is $2. Should I buy more? No, wait. So CEI, yeah, right now we have between now until the next month, until the 10K. So usually some people say like buy before the news or buy before something happening, because anticipation, and a lot of people will buy before the things will happen. So that's what anticipate that the price of CEI will go up before even the 10K finalizing or even the merger. So we have to see a lot of volatility right now for CEI. The moment that we close above the $1, this will be a clear that you should enter and average down. This will be the easiest way to know if the price is ready. It's best to know exactly when the price will jump than just buying and the price will accumulate, like will be stagnating. So it's not good. You can use your money in other trade. So time is opportunity. Just think about it. Okay. Let me just check. Yeah, AMC is still below our resistance. For glove is, yeah, still holding. TLRY is still bumping. Yeah, right now is $8.46. Yeah, there's a massive test will happen for TLRY pretty soon, around the $9.87, or the psychological level, the $10. I don't know what's the relationship between stocks and the price $10, you know? It's kind of psychological for a lot of stock want to hit the $10 and the $1. So yeah, TLRY, there's a big potential that we're gonna have test for the $10 by the next week, because as everybody knows, it's been heavily talked on Reddit right now. Okay, so let's check Sundial. Yeah, Sundial is bumping right now as well. Yeah, you see what's happened for Sundial. Nice, but buying back near the support. Nice. The support is 0.68. So that's why I suggest never buy when the market open. Buy when the price gravitate near the support is safer. Any price near the support is safer. That's why we see the price spike up again. For TLRY, yeah, like we have the price jump below, hold here, and here was a nice entry. Yeah, perfect. Mervet, salamu alaikum, Mervet. CENN, please. We already talked about Mervet. You're a bit late. We already talked about CENN in a while. Okay, BNGOMAT, HYMC we already covered it. You can check the live streaming when it's ended. We talked about HYMC. We don't have to repeat because it's kind of time consuming and we have many stocks to cover, okay? MULN is not that, but this is normal because we broke the support we talked about. Right now is kind of have one support left to confirm are we dead or not, the $2. Straightforward. We talked about it. We said we have to hold above the $2 to confirm there is no sell-off. If there is a potential for retest the $2.70, is holding above the $2. And let me just check this one. Okay, so let me just see what's going to happen. Oh wow, man. This one we have a nice test around the 30. Around our resistance, the 30.98, we went until the 29.90. So we already have a test and confirm rejection because the short seller is lying here. That's why we have a massive wick. So for this one, like we have a clear support around the 1995. If we hold, is we gonna have a retest at least this time, not the 30 because there's a massive selling pressure, but the 25 will be the trigger to see a break for the 30. So the 25.46, this will clear everything. Right now we have our exponential average perfect. Is mean we still have a bullish momentum. 1995 is the support. If we hold it, we're gonna have a test and break the 25. First signal for bullish. The next time we're gonna have a closing candle above the 30.98. This is a big bullish momentum for BBIY, BBBY, or Bad Bath and Beyond. So yeah, it's still bullish to me if we're still holding the 1995. Just be careful from the 25.46. This will initiate the breakout. Thank you, Elite. Elite the way, or like your name. So Sebastian, he said TDOC, please. Okay, sir. Okay, we're gonna check it for you right now. Hopefully you're still there. Everyone, then don't forget to bless the like button on the way in. Show some love. Okay. Oh man, thank you to bring this up because we already talked about Sebastian. So Sebastian, he said my thought about TDOC. So for this one, it was a nice, perfect like chart. I like this kind of chart. Look how beautiful it is. We have a nice downtrending channel, and right now we're still inside it. What we said last live streaming, any price inside is bearish. So the confirmation for bullish momentum for this one is the first signal, Sebastian, is breaking this ascending line. The second one is breaking the 97 or the 80, closing above the 80. This is a massive turning point. We're gonna have the price even go around the 100 this time. So what I will do, thank you for bringing this up. I forget this stock. I will just put my notification around the 80 and let it go and let the price come to me. Yes, yes. Red Devil, he said already did the like button. Yes, you got my attention, brother. Okay, for ZSUN, we're gonna check ZSUN in a bit. And we have requests for any as well. Okay, let's check ZSUN. I think we cover it in our Patreon. I think today. This is 23rd of March, 24th. Yeah, we cover it today here on our Patreon today in pre-market. We cover it here. The third stock we cover it. So let me just check. So TLRY, then we have ZSUN. Yeah, I think here. So we have blog. TLRY. So TLRY, it was around here. So after TLRY. Yeah, we talked about it here. It was, yeah, we said here, look, we have this gap to fill and we have this resistance around the 0.41 to overcome. And we said this, we're gonna have a rejection first, then we have to hold above in order to accumulate, then we break this level. So let me just check ZSUN. We still kind of today filled a bit the gap around the 0.28, but we're not ready yet. You see what happened? We went down again around the 0.24. So the clear indication right now, we have to fill this gap, period. And when we do that, we're gonna see another rejection. So that's why it's normal. It's short seller is still controlled. The signal for massive bullish momentum is holding above the 41. Okay. Yes, B, welcome to the tribe. Welcome to the Hunter tribe. How long you been trading? Okay, let's check any for you. We have some stock about any, and we got some question about any. So yeah, for any kind of escaped from this descending channel. And one thing to note for any, because right now it's 4% down, we want to confirm one thing, to confirm that we broke and we still have the bullish momentum from this break from this descending channel, you see? So the break that we did here, we need to hold this time the $1.76 to confirm the continuation this time around the $3. So we need to hold the $1.76. Otherwise, we're gonna have the support $1.36. Simple. We have just one support level. $1.76 to hold. This is crazy, crazy support to confirm the bullish momentum and confirm this breakout that we happened here is not a fake out. Thank you, Red Devil. Thank you. Happy to help. Even though my throat is a bit, have a difficult time to talk, and the more I talk, I have a bit difficulty to talk. But yeah, I'm trying to ease the pain with water. There's no excuse with hunting. So if I have a problem with my throat, I just talk, no problem. Okay, Luis. Yeah, Shopify is kind of going up and down near our resistance. Yeah, for Shopify is went back again in this box. So what I suggest for Shopify to confirm the break-in for 700 next time, Luis, we have just one left support to hold around the 654. This time we'll confirm that this time we're gonna have a breakout until the 850, like what happened for charge point. Okay, so if we don't hold this level, is me we're gonna have the 600, and this will be a bit of accumulation phase and like time wasting, and we might even drop even more. We don't want to see this. We want to continue to have a strength, which is holding above the 650. Next time we close above the 700, this will be initiation for break. Otherwise, I will be extra careful. Already bought my notification. You see around the 650, and again above the 725 will be initiation for break, at least around the 790 and 850. Thank you, Nico. Thank you. The only way to get better if you have a problem with your body or something like this is to move and do your thing, you know, to forget about what you have. If you just stay still and you think about what you have, you amplify it and you make it worse. Okay. So as we said, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I will do another video for preparation for Monday and Sunday. And in the meantime, if you have requested stock, or if you want to join us in BHUN, as you can look here, we have a lot of chart analysis and even a video like pre-market analysis for the markets in crypto even, and stock market. So join us in BitChun if you like, and on Discord as well if you want. If you're already familiar with Discord, you can join the Lacram Investing Discord, where you get 3 days free trial with my link in comment section below. And let's get ready to hunt. Even here on our trading community, we have a lot of chart analysis we do daily for crypto and stocks as well. So everything in the comment section below. As I said, if you want to know which one is perfect for you, Patreon, Discord, or TradingView community, let me know in comment section below, or send me direct message to my business email, which is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. And hopefully you have a nice weekend. And sorry I can't stay like longer because I have a bit of sore throat, and the more I talk, the more it's getting worse. So I'm trying to talk less. And even though I did the live streaming, there's no excuse with me. Even I have a problem with my throat. However, if I have something to do, I have to do it, and this is on my list. So I did it, and next time, hopefully, I will make it longer and make the live streaming maybe twice a week, and because we got a lot of requests to do more live streaming. So hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update. And thank you for the support and for your commitment to be in the live streaming. And hopefully see you in the next update. See you.